Hi kittens, I'm so excited to share our Hello Gorgeous palette, all paraben free, with you today. There are some of my favorite products and yours too, because this collection includes so much and is so easy to use. All the tips, tricks, and trade secrets that I learned as an international model for 2 decades are in your beautiful how-to application cards. For face products, for your eye products, you'll have looks in here that you never thought you could achieve. From daytime, fashion, fabulous, sultry looking eyes to smoldering, sassy, come hither looks. Also, you'll receive your 14-page color girlfriend guide that comes with every product and takes you step by step in the way we apply our makeup with the ease of a beauty routine you could only ever dream about. First, I'm going to start with the face palette, our girlfriend favorites, because we all love being able to neutralize our flaws. Using our ring finger, you're going to use the cream, the neutralizing cream, and apply it wherever you have darkness, sallow, dark coloration, discoloration, large pores, broken capillaries, anywhere you have a scar, acne, or age spot. The yellow color is going to morph right into any skin tone. This helps provide you with an even canvas for which you will apply the beauty to come. The other products, it also allows your makeup to last longer and it goes on translucent. Next, you're going to put on a little foundation or BB cream of your choice, and then you're going to set it with the yellow powder. Both of these products have been on our brand for 22 years, and they're universal, like most of YBF products, where they work for all skin tones, ivory to ebony. The two products are a one shade selection. You don't make a choice. We've made it for you, so it works on all skin tones for all YBF girlfriends. I love how it doesn't matter if I get a tan one day or I'm light the next. I still use the yellow cream and the yellow powder day in and day out. Now, next for our eyes. Love this collection because you'll see the shadows are arranged from light to dark. That allows us to achieve that easy, flawless looking eyes that can go from day into night. I'm going to show you just a daytime eye. Now, I've already done my makeup, but now I'm just going to apply a little bit more. I'm going to show you how to get a quick daytime look. First, apply the shadow Charm. It's a light ivory color, and you'll do that from lash line to brow just to open up the eyes. All the shadows are crease proof. You'll love how they don't settle into fine lines, so that you can be sure your makeup looks fabulous day and night. Next, apply the shade Luxurious to the lid area. It is luxurious. It's so soft. And you're going to blend it right up into the eye crease. Then take the Opulent shade. It's a little bit of a russet brown, and it's going to give your eyes even more depth. It's going to make the whites of your eyes pop too, so the iris, your color of your eye, really is open and bright. A little more depth, if that's what you're looking for, you go to this gorgeous color Elegant, and you just do it on the outside areas of your eye and underneath like a liner, and it just creates definition. Now let's finish off our face by applying the beautiful cream blush. It's in a Dusty Rose, which is the color of cherub cheeks, little baby cheeks. I'm putting this right over powder, and look how creamy it still goes on. You're going to use a circular motion to achieve your desired color. Using your corresponding powder to set it, you're going to go right over it in a circular motion, and it allows you to have a cream blush that lasts all day. Lastly, in your flawless beauty routine, we're going to apply the Illuminating Cream wherever we want lift. So remember, light lifts. So here's the beautiful cream. I'm going to do it below brow. I'm going to do above brow for lift. Remember, light lifts, dark things make things recede. I'm going to put it down the center of my nose. I'm going to put it on the tip of my nose to give me that little tipped up look. You can see how I just did that. I'm going to put it on my cheekbones because I want to raise the cheekbones. How about the Cupid's bow? Don't you want your lips to look fuller? Right here on the top and the bottom. Now you're going to blend all that in, and it's going to softly set because now you're going to set it with the illuminating corresponding powder, okay? So wherever you put your creams, you just go over top of those with your powders. You're going to have that brightened from below lift and glow, and you're going to be good to go. Now all I want you to do is look into the mirror and say, "Hello, gorgeous."